Let's take a flight into the atmosphere here to see what the weather is looking like. Yeah, it seems real hot. Alright, let's take a look here. Look at that lightning. I'm just gonna, it's very rumbly. Just kind of hover here. That way is a Conemaugh. Like that way. That way is Delafield. Can you see any rotation? Gotta make sure I don't get too far away from the house. Yeah, we're getting kind of far. Oops. Get back where we belong here. Okay. All right. There we are. It's not raining yet. It's pretty weird, wild, like crazy wild. Let's watch some of that thunder. For a minute there, we'll just hover here. Okay, again, where are we? Yep, like it. It's weird how you drift that way. It is a tiny whoop. All right, look at how like perfectly mint south and then to the north. Whee! All right, well, look at all that action that way. Okay, we should come back. Like, all hell breaks loose and we're flying drones over here. Two. Or three. Alright, let's get up over the... Look how dark that is. Uh-oh, it is actually starting to rain. Man, that looks angry. That's pretty wild. Alright, we gotta get back on. Some big drops coming down. Just in case, we'll stay kind of close to prop wash. Ooh, I'm getting, I don't know what's going on, but I'm getting a little pissed off there. A lot of sorts. I'm gonna tilt back a little bit. Where are we? Are we? Okay, we're good. Okay. Stay tilted back. Okay, I must be getting pelted with rain. Ooh, that was a big flash. That was a big flash. Let's see if we can get another one of them. Big flashes coming out.